Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is absolutely phenomenal, remarkable, astonishing. All those SAT words you want to use. Guys, this is my dream right here. I've come full circle. Here are the 4 hoodies representing the BBA. You guys might be saying, this guy is crazy, he's nuts. This man loves him some BBA. Of course, BBA, they disbanded in 1999, 2000, and I brought the resurrection back. I brought the club back. Yes, we are here with no fear, guys. And now this is the second edition, the second version of these hoodies. I think they represent nicely now, more than ever. This collection is absolutely sweetness. Wow. Look at that. You know, it reminds me of when I was playing for high school baseball for the Monroe Eagles. We used to have multiple colored uniforms. And you can mix and match with the pants and the jersey. So I'm going to be honest with you guys. They're a little pricey now because all the work they have to put into them. No one has to buy these. You're not forced to buy them. I wanted them for my own collection. These are the colors that I wanted to represent the 35 plus years I've been flying for the BBA. And I just think it's astonishing to look at, and it really represents our club as a whole. I put the address if you guys are interested. Again, no one's forced to buy. This is my own personal collection. You call them up, you give them your size, and they tell you how much the price is. And if you want, you go order it and you pick it up. But again, this is my own personal collection, and I'm very proud of it. I like the way it came out, and my daughter designed it for us, and I helped out, and I think it worked out absolutely phenomenally. BBA for life. One more thing, I was supposed to get interviewed tomorrow by Bronx 12 about the drone issue, but I'm going to be out of the state for about 11 to 12 days. So I'm going to be out for about 12 days. So I told them we'll have to postpone it for about 2 weeks from now. But the interview was supposed to happen tomorrow. It's supposed to be on Bronx 12, being interviewed by them on TV. But yeah, I'm going to be out of state for about 2 weeks. All right, guys, again, happy holidays to all of you. May you and your family have a wonderful, wonderful holidays. Take care and God bless. BBA for life.